The concept of the smart home has always promised a future of effortless convenience, yet for years, the reality has often fallen short of the vision. We have tolerated misunderstood commands, noticeable latency, and fragmented ecosystems. But the landscape of home automation is standing on the precipice of a monumental shift. Welcome to Tech Vibe. Today, we are undertaking a comprehensive analysis of what is arguably the most pivotal piece of smart home hardware Apple has developed in the last half-decade, the highly anticipated Apple HomePod Mini 2. As we navigate through the intricate leaks, supply chain reports, and architectural upgrades slated for this 2026 release, it becomes abundantly clear that Apple is not merely releasing a new speaker. They are deploying a highly sophisticated, locally processed artificial intelligence hub disguised as an everyday audio device. We are going to examine the silicon architecture, the profound integration of Apple Intelligence, and why this specific device will serve as the cornerstone of your digital ecosystem. To truly appreciate the magnitude of the upcoming HomePod Mini 2, we must first critically examine its predecessor. The original HomePod Mini made its debut in November of 2020. In the rapidly accelerating world of consumer electronics, a lifespan of 6 years without a hardware revision is virtually unheard of. While the original iteration offered commendable acoustic performance for its diminutive stature, it was fundamentally limited by its internal processing capabilities. It was powered by the S5 silicon, a chip originally engineered for the Apple Watch Series 5. As artificial intelligence and machine learning protocols advanced exponentially, the S5 chip simply lacked the neural processing overhead required to keep pace. This hardware limitation manifested most noticeably in Siri's performance. Users frequently encountered frustrating bottlenecks, characterized by high latency, an inability to parse complex or multi-layered commands, and an over-reliance on cloud computing. Every time you asked the original HomePod Mini to perform a simple task, like activating a scene or setting a timer, that audio package had to be compressed, transmitted to an Apple server hundreds of miles away, processed, and sent back. This latency broke the illusion of a seamless smart home. Furthermore, Siri's lack of contextual awareness meant users had to speak in rigid, robotic phrasing. Apple recognized this bottleneck. They understood that iterating on flawed architecture would only compound the problem. Consequently, the HomePod Mini 2 experienced an extended development cycle, deliberately paused until the software and silicon could align with Apple's uncompromising vision for an intelligent, frictionless user experience. This brings us to the most significant technological leap of the HomePod Mini 2, the internal silicon. According to highly credible supply chain analysts, Apple is completely bypassing the incremental upgrade path. The HomePod Mini 2 is slated to be equipped with a variant of the S10 or a custom-engineered S11 chip. Integrating a processor of this caliber into a compact, stationary speaker is a calculated, strategic maneuver. The primary objective is local processing. By drastically increasing the computational bandwidth and outfitting the device with a robust neural engine, Apple is severing the tether to the cloud for the vast majority of everyday requests. When you issue a command, the audio transcription and semantic processing occur entirely locally on the device itself in mere milliseconds. This translates to absolute zero-latency execution. Your smart lights will activate the instant you finish speaking. But speed is only a fraction of the upgrade. This immense processing power serves as the foundational bedrock for Apple Intelligence in the home. Siri is no longer a rudimentary command and control interface, it is evolving into a contextual, conversational assistant. You will be able to speak naturally, utilizing complex sentence structures, varying cadences, and mid-sentence corrections. You can instruct the system to secure the perimeter locks, adjust the ambient temperature to 72 degrees, lower the motorized shades, and initiate a specific classical music playlist, all in one continuous breath. The localized Apple Intelligence will effortlessly parse these multi-tiered instructions, understand the specific context of your home, and execute the actions simultaneously. Furthermore, the upgraded microphone array coupled with advanced machine learning will allow the system to definitively distinguish between the vocal biometrics of different household members, ensuring that calendar readouts, messages, and music recommendations remain strictly personalized and secure. Transitioning from the internal architecture to the external design, Apple has opted to refine rather than reinvent. The HomePod Mini 2 retains the elegant, acoustically transparent spherical mesh fabric that allows it to integrate unobtrusively into any interior design scheme, whether situated on a minimalist workspace or a bedside table. However, the interactive interface on the apex of the device is receiving a substantial aesthetic overhaul. The glowing touch panel is expanding to an edge-to-edge liquid retina display, featuring the dynamic, full-spectrum rainbow illumination previously exclusive to the premium, full-sized HomePod. This vibrant interface serves as a visual confirmation that Apple Intelligence is actively analyzing and processing your requests. Beneath this refined exterior lies a completely re-engineered acoustic chamber. Despite maintaining the identical physical footprint, the audio fidelity is receiving a massive enhancement driven by computational audio. The new silicon continuously analyzes the audio output and the acoustic reflections of the surrounding environment, dynamically tuning the frequency response in real time. The custom full-range driver and dual force-canceling passive radiators are meticulously calibrated to deliver a significantly richer, deeper bass extension, pristine high-frequency clarity, and exceptional vocal separation. This ensures that whether you are critically listening to lossless audio, enjoying a densely layered podcast, or utilizing a paired stereo set as a soundstage for an Apple TV 4K, the audio experience punches drastically above its weight class. In the modern smart home, acoustic performance is only half the equation, ubiquitous connectivity is the other. The HomePod Mini 2 is receiving a comprehensive networking upgrade, integrating Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. This ensures a significantly wider bandwidth and reduced network congestion, which is absolutely critical for homes saturated with dozens of connected smart devices and for the uninterrupted streaming of high-resolution lossless audio. Additionally, the device fully embraces the Matter and Thread protocols, serving as a highly resilient border router that unifies your disparate smart home accessories into one cohesive, instantly responsive network. Yet, the most universally appreciated upgrade will undoubtedly be the integration of Apple's second-generation ultra-wideband technology, the U2 chip. This chip fundamentally transforms spatial awareness between your devices. If you possess a modern iPhone equipped with a corresponding U2 chip, the handoff experience borders on the magical. As you physically approach the HomePod Mini 2, your audio stream transitions seamlessly from your mobile device to the speaker without a single dropped frame or microsecond of lag, accompanied by precise haptic feedback and fluid visual animations on your screen. This spatial awareness also empowers the HomePod Mini 2 to act as a definitive anchor node for precision finding, allowing you to locate misplaced AirTags, wireless earbuds, or even your phone with unparalleled directional accuracy within your residence. With these unprecedented technological advancements, one might logically assume a significant increase in the retail price. However, Apple is operating with a clear strategic imperative: absolute market penetration. To establish Apple Intelligence as the dominant operational standard within the home, they require maximum hardware adoption. Consequently, all reliable supply chain indicators suggest that Apple will aggressively hold the line on pricing, maintaining the HomePod Mini 2 at the highly accessible $99 price point. This aggressive pricing strategy positions it not just as a speaker, but as the most cost-effective gateway into Apple's entire intelligent ecosystem. As for availability, manufacturing facilities are currently escalating mass production, perfectly aligning with a projected global launch in the third quarter of 2026. We strongly anticipate this groundbreaking device to be officially unveiled alongside the upcoming iPhone hardware event this September. The era of the truly intelligent home is no longer a distant promise, it is imminent. The HomePod Mini 2 represents the convergence of high-fidelity audio, seamless connectivity, and localized artificial intelligence. Will this comprehensive upgrade prompt you to integrate the HomePod Mini 2 into your living space? We invite you to share your perspectives in the discussion section below. We greatly appreciate you joining us for this extensive analysis on TechVibe. If this comprehensive breakdown provided you with valuable insights, please consider endorsing the video by pressing the like button, and ensure your subscription is active so you remain continuously informed on the bleeding edge of technological advancements. Stay informed, and we will see you in the next analysis.